what's biggest sports video? We are going to unbox Burn Phoenix o Burn Fire Blaze. So, sorry guys kung gabi kasi umalis kami. So go open it up this. So, let's go. Nice one. Oh my god, this is crazy. So guys, shit. Whoa. Oh. Yo, this is the Beyblades. Ayun yung box. That's crazy. Siya parang ang laki. Bro, what the fuck? Damn. Let's go, boys. So, ang hirap. Plastic na plastic. So, kuha lang ako din, guys. What is this? My content. So, I don't know where's the launcher. Pero may launcher yan. So, wait. May kukunin mga guys. Kunin ko yung mga Beyblade ko. That's crazy box. Ay, nasa loob yung launcher. Ay. Ang daming ano na rin. Jeez. There we go, boys. So guys, yan. Nilagay ko siya dito yung stickers. Uy, motor. So, this is my new Beyblade collection. Yan. Diyan ko muna sila lalagay. Look at this. Dang, son. That's crazy. Go open it up, the Beyblade. Dang. That's crazy. Oh, diba? Yun! What? Bro, that's crazy! Beautiful Beyblade. So, trash. So, open it up this Beyblade. Look at that! By the way, instead of metal sharp tip, ano siya? Yung flat balance mode stamina. Bro, look at that. So, bali wala siyang kasamang tools. Hindi ko lang alam bakit. Let's go, boys. Clear? Wow, clear. Sheesh. So, tingin ko, lalagay ko ng metal sharp. Ganap ako. Sheesh. So, bali wala na siyang kasamang stickers. So, wait. Sheesh. That's crazy, like basin. Tatago muna natin to. Guys, spin tayo. By the way, this is the box. So, so ganda sana kung ganito, no? Ito yung sharp. Ayan. Sharp tip. Maganda. Pangit yan eh, kasi sharp. Yung sharp tip. So, let's go put this na my collection. Wait lang, guys. Sorry sa pagbubo. So, here we have the stadium. There we go. So, tayo nyo lang mag-unbox din ng Beyblade X. Dang! That's crazy. So, by the way, may kaparas lang siya, guys. So, wait, nasa yung spring. Ayun, yung may no, para sila ng metal wheel. Let's go, party spot. Ay, sorry. Go, shit. Bang! Nice one. Ang manipulator niya nga pala is si Phoenix. Or Ryu. Sa, tatay ni Jinga Akane. Shot. Bro, this look like attack mode, like Basin. Ayun. Wow, balikan lang ng puntos yun, ha. That's crazy. Bro, what the heck? So, let's go fight it to the, Beyblade girls. Like this, Go. Whoa, 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 whoa. What? What is this? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ano nangyari dito? Bro, what the is happening here? Bryce, sira. So, mamaya na yan. Hindi ko na tatanggalin, mamaya na lang. Oh yeah, Phantom Orion. So, shot. Bro, look at that. See, whoa, 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 whoa. It's easily to defeat. Man. No. Don't shoot. Naging attack mode. Sa lakas kasi ng resistance homemade launcher. Dang. Whoa, out of balance. Just like a metal sharp tip, by the way. That's crazy. Burn wheel. The burn wheel. Spin track is, yeah, goods. Sure. Bro, I don't know what is it. Bro, what the heck? Bro! Oh. Ayaw niya matanggal. Ayun! So, natanggal din. Wakas. May sira yun, guys. So, let's go. Yo. Fabulous! Yo, super aggressive, Mahina. Natural lang na mahina to kasi yung metal sharp tip. Parang may metal sharp. Okay. Wait. Look at this. Dang, son. Di ko kasi siya malaban sa Big Bag Pegasus. Nasira yung Big Bag Pegasus ko Tanggal yung blue. Igugulo ko na lang mamaya. No! So, guys, tingin ko dyan na muna nagtatapos ng video. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Goodbye. Wait, don't forget to subscribe and like. So, yun lang. Goodbye.